you can also mount your lawnmower blades on here, if this was a lawnmower blade, or you can mount your file on here like I just did and use it as needed. This is a knife without a handle, so you'll see how easy that is to mount up. Very easy process. Okay, now there's another thing that comes as an accessory with this vise. I'll show it to you. Let me turn this around. I'm going to take the vise off, push the button, slide this off, loosen this thumb screw, slide this part off. Now in your kit you will get this item. What this is, you mount it to your Dremel, put the top back on, and then you can mount your Dremel in this vise. Tighten that up.